May I come, sir?
Yes, hello. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Oh, I'm also fine, thank you. Please, how I can help you?
I want to get a credit card.
Oh, fine. Sure.
How to facilities and
Okay, I
please
will.
details me,
That
sir.
means you want to get a credit card.
Yeah.
Okay, it's very easy. Just maintain some process, and to take a credit card is just maintaining some rules and procedure. If you are you a job holder?
Yeah, I'm a job holder.
Okay, fine.
Once upon a time, use the credit card. Then I'll discuss because it's big problem. Many big problems are solved. Then change the bank. I will come the your bank.
Okay, what types of bank you get this card?
This bank limited this one
Okay,
card.
fine.
Then
We
it's
are
a big
Bragg Bank.
problems. And then I cancel the card.
Okay, no problem. Okay, we are Bragg Bank.
Yeah.
And if anyone want to get credit card, just need monthly income or installment through transaction with any bank at least 25,000 per month.
Yeah.
At least, and minimum and maximum a lot of transaction through bank. Just need your voter ID photocopy, need your passport size
A neat
photo,
document I'll get
and
the
transaction of 6 month transaction of your bank account, and just need your present address and need your signature. And if you collect if you bring this document, and I will uh, fulfill a form, and this is the form of credit card, and you can get
how to
within 7
facilities
days.
your Bragg bank credit card is
Okay,
facilities
fine.
others bank.
Yes, sure. In our Bragg Bank, now it is time to discount offer, and
Yeah.
if anyone take credit card within 3 months, they can enjoy without charge.
Yeah, wow.
In this
This
year,
these
only for
facilities.
3 months offer for increasing card holder or increasing the use of credit card. Our bank authority take these steps.
But my friend, the complaint Bragg bank credit card, this is the security bit problems. How to
I
solve the
think it's not true, because every day, every month, our banking authority try to make a strong security system. If further, if ancient period or preliminary stage, there may some lack is about security, but now at present our security system is so strong, you can easily use or take this card and use this card without any fear, because now anyone, if you lost your credit card, nobody can use without you.
are you suggest the your bank credit card?
Yes, sure, why not? We are trying to give this service, we are
Because
committed to serve you.
yeah, because I'll try a strong network and strong securities. Because
Yes.
recently the hackers the ATM booth and Das Bangla and Bragg Bank and Abbey Bank. This is most problem.
Yes,
There's
yes, in everywhere in our country, there are some people who are try to make a crime, who are try to hack, who are try to smash any asset. This scenario is common, but for security, our banking system, our banking authority try to overcome this problem, and you can enjoy this card without any fear, and will support you all time. And please bring to me with these documents and enjoy your credit
Yeah,
card. And you know that without money, anyone can enjoy any purchase with a credit card.
yeah.
So now
I
it is
know,
time.
I know that.
It is time to use credit card. It's time to modern age. And thank you very much.
Thank
And
you.
I will
I'll
serve you. Please come.
and
With
next month will
any
come. then get a credit card.
and this is
জি।
my card,
জি,
please.
thank you.